Well, these are the two helmets that I currently use when I do moto vlogging. The one that I had initially was this Aero adventure style helmet. It's a great helmet, very comfortable. I found that it's a quiet helmet, and I could mount the GoPro on the front with the Pro Shot mount. The trouble with it, and also the videos that I shot, were very, very good. Once I sorted out the adjustment on the GoPro for the sound, no trouble. The only issue I have is inside here where the earlugs go. You just cannot mount earlugs in there. The recess is just not deep enough, and I've got about 5 or 6 sets of communication systems. None of them will fit in there comfortably. They will fit in there, but as soon as I have the helmet on for about 20 minutes, it pushes on my ear and gives me a headache. So I've had this Aero for about 18 months. The problem that I wanted to solve was to mount a communication system so that when I go touring with my wife, and who's on the back as a pillion, I could communicate with her at the same time as I could record video with sound. I couldn't do that with the Aero because I just couldn't mount the communication system because of comfort. So about a month ago I purchased this AGV, and I have been able to mount the GoPro on the chin where I like it. And I also discovered, well, the reason I bought this is 2 reasons. One, it was comfortable as soon as I put it on, and the second is I can mount the speakers to the communications system in here, and it works perfectly. So I've been able to solve the problem. Now the issue is to take this for a test ride and check it out. So follow me while I go for a test ride. Alright. Okay, let's get out of here and go for a test ride. Right. So I'm not sure about the angle of the camera, whether it's too low or not high enough. I don't know. We'll find out. Oh, good. Here we go. Right. So what I'll be interested in is the audio of this. I haven't changed the settings on the GoPro from what I like. Oh, petrol's coming down. 151.5 for 91 ULP 91. TNT delivery truck. TNT will become FedEx Express. I wonder when that's going to happen. Okay, let's get in front of Mr. TNT. Alright, so I've got the visor completely shut. So I've got the Purple Panda microphone. I've got it on my other helmet that I use for recording. Right, Mr. Mazda, get in the front, I'm letting you in. Well, the speed limit on the freeway is 110. I'm doing 90 so far. And I'll take the first exit, and I'll go home. And then I'll download the video and see what it's like. I can't believe how dirty that TFT screen is. Okay, so now I've put the visor up completely. Speed limit along here is 60, so I better watch what I'm doing. And I'll leave it up all the way along here because it's 60, and I'll see what it sounds like. I'm just going to tilt the camera back a fraction. See if I can still shut the visor. Yep, I can shut the visor. That's good. So the visor's open again. Wet and Wild. Haven't been there for years, and probably be years before I go back, if ever again. My days of being out in the sun are well and truly gone. I just do not like it anymore. Right, so I better slow down a fraction, because I think the speed limit along here is only, well, it might be 70 along here. It was 60 back in front of Wet n Wild. I think it's 70 here, so that's okay. Still got the visor up. I'll put the visor down, see what difference it makes. Okay, the visor's completely down. Yeah, I guess I'll have to take Kerry for a ride to test out the communications on this, just to see that it works okay. I did a test yesterday when I put the communication system into this helmet. I paired up her helmet and I put a mobile phone inside her helmet, shut the visor so I could hear, and then turned mine on and connected it so I could hear a voice, which is a radio host. Okay. I really hope that the video comes out okay, because it's a very comfortable helmet. That's why I purchased it. I like the look of it, I like the style. Alright, we're going to let this big truck in, and this little green car. Come on, Mr. Hyundai. In you come. Alright, I'm going to put the visor down. Gee, it's windy along here. Oh, this poor old Roo didn't make it. Poor bloody thing. He's a big fella too. Yeah, good size one, that one. Poor bugger. Right, we'll go inside and download this video and check it out. Hopefully the audio's good. Garage opens. No. Wallet. Here we go. Wallet. Right, so let's turn this camera off.